So I'm pulling into where the day hike is supposed to be, and I look at the date and I'm a week early. Jeez. Oh, well, it's 64 degrees. It's absolutely gorgeous. You know what? Let's go for a hike anyway. It's nice out here. Green circle here in Stevens Point, Plover area is absolutely fantastic. So. Beautiful. Going at your own pace, kind of alone with your thoughts. You don't have to strictly think that a long hike counts. Small walks, they all add up. It's just nice to get out. It's nice to be, just out here in nature and letting things settle. And get outside every day if you can. And if it's a walk around the block, if it is a small little hike like this that's maybe a mile or two, but being out in nature is an awesome way to do it. So. One of the really neat things about going out on a beautiful day like this by yourself early, these birds are waking up. They've been up for a while. They're just singing, sun's shining, still fairly cool in the morning here. Truth be told, I'm here by the stake actually. There's a group hike that was gonna go this morning, and 6:30 this morning we show up. I show up. I'm a week early. Okay. So I thought, let's go for a nice hike instead. So, kind of a nice surprise. So, glad you're along with me. So I've got some pretty cool news I found out last night. A good friend of mine who originally comes from Colorado, invited me in September. So him and I are going to go out to Steamboat Springs, and we are going to stay out there, and we are going to hike for I think 3 or 4 days out there. So I'll give you more details as I get them, but I am super stoked to get out to Colorado. Never been there, and I think it'll be super cool. Also gives me incentive to start doing a little hill training because they're not going to be in Clover anymore. So stay tuned for that. Hey everybody, if you're enjoying this video, and I hope that you are, and this inspires you, gives you some ideas of getting outside, whether it be biking, hiking, trail walking, whatever, I invite you to follow my channel, subscribe, hit the like button. Appreciate it.